You're all here, and again, the most fabulous audience ever. You came in so quietly. Mrs. Filer and I were just standing there talking. I barely knew you were here. All right, now that we're all seated and quiet, we haven't done our pledge this morning, so we're going to stand up and face the flag and put your hand over your heart and use nice voices. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The mission of the Early Childhood Center is to be a safe and happy place to learn. Great job. Okay, everybody have a seat. I want to remind you of a couple of things that you probably already know, but I'm going to remind you anyway. We're going to give out some awards today, like we do every month. Is everyone going to win an award today? No. So the only way we can go forward is that you promise that even if it's not your turn today, you can be happy for your friends. No tears. Can you promise? Yes. Okay. So it may not be your turn today. You might have already had a turn or two turns. Or you haven't had a turn yet at all, but we still have several months of school left and you will have a turn at some time. All right, we're going to get started this morning with our math awards, and we have a special guest from the Community Bank of Harrisonville. And do you know what? Can I tell you a secret about her? She used to be in kindergarten in our building when she was little. That's how long Mrs. Campbell has been here. I remember her when she was here in kindergarten. And now we've made her turn red in the face. So, okay, so she's going to come over and we are going to give out some math awards. And then you need to make sure you remember to listen for your first name and your last name, because sometimes we have friends that have the same first name but they have a different last name. So listen closely to the whole name. All right, the first mathematician of the month is Zayden Brown. Liam Howery. Lacey Parrish. Ethan Coltrane. Bryston Hughes. DJ Garcia Resendez. Connor Endicott.
I like white.
And boys and girls, I forgot to tell you, they get an award from Community Bank of Harrisonville, and then do you see they each got a piggy bank, and it has a gold dollar coin in it that they get to take home. You're supposed to see right over there.
Everybody look in the sky, say cheese.
All right, so let's give a big round of applause for Community Bank of Harrisonville and for all of our winners. All right, next we have our terrific citizens of the month. So we have boys and girls that have been doing a great job in class. And they're always doing what they should be doing. Boys and girls, if you just got a math award, can you do me a big favor and just lay it on the floor right in front of you? Okay, just lay it right on the floor so the coins don't jingle. That way everybody can hear. Okay, so we're going to have our terrific citizens. So your teachers have been watching for who follows the rules in class and who's a good friend, who takes care of their belongings. So listen closely for your first and your last name. All right, we have Braden Kirkendall. And Brentley Bunger. Rowan Stafford. Hunter Holt. Boston Bauer. Sebastian Hall. Caroline Ramos. Elena Malone. And the teacher we're going to recognize this month is not down here right now, but that is Mrs. Blondell. So we're going to give a big round of applause to our terrific citizens while Mrs. Filer takes their picture.
All right, kindergarten friends, we are giving away the PE awards right now. We have started basketball and working on our dribbling skills. So I've been watching to see who's doing it and trying really, really hard. The first one goes to Melody Kirk. Toby Wilson. Brantley Baxter. Lily Shaw. Ivy Mueller. Max Rain. Callan Bechtel. And Rowan Terwilliger.
All right, I have some awards to give to some musicians for music class. We've started working on our music program, Getting Down with Mama Goose, and I've seen some friends doing a really great job singing. So my first musician of the month is Zoe Crotty. Reese McKinnis. Brooklyn Kendall. Truman Dunmore Walker. Damian Nelson. Ellie Newsham. Brady Williams. And Brinley Caldwell.
Ew, this is
have some amazing artists of the month too. So we're going to start with Aria Lori, Zach Dover, Harper Beamer, Luke Fodor, Ada Howard, Jackson Taylor, Lucas Butler,
Okay, next we have two friends who have donated items to our big blue barrels from our Bright Futures collections. A lot of kids brought in a donation. So in December we collected food items, and in January we're also collecting snack items. And a lot of friends did. And so what I did is I put all those names of kids who brought something in, and I picked one out. And for the month of December, the winner who brought something is Logan Kane. He brought something for the Blue Barrel. In January, the winner is Brinley Caldwell. When you bring something in for a Blue Barrel, you're helping kids at our school and you're helping kids across our community get something to eat when they are hungry. Now I have 8 friends who have been nominated for the Fantastic Friend Award. Your teachers are looking for friends who are kind and helpful and friendly at school every day. You help everybody feel like part of our community here at ECC. So our first friend is Mahia Jones. Evelyn Roach. Jason Goddard. Owen Kirch. Brody Myers. Charlotte Doherty. Layla Reynolds. Josie Hillman. Congratulations to those students.
Last assembly.
That concludes our assembly for today. Boys and girls, you did an amazing job again today. Don't forget to keep bringing in your pennies for puppies. A lot of you have been bringing in your pennies and filling up our jar, so great job for you on that. And at this time, I want you to stay seated until your teacher asks you to stand up to head back to class, and have a great day.